Hey guys, this is first for me. I'm going to be doing reviews of food, and this is Tesco crispy coated peanuts. So these are sweet chili flavour, specially selected for size coated in a crunchy, spicy sweet shell. I can't remember how much these are, but the roasted peanuts with a crispy sweet chili flavoured potato and maize coating. They ethically source our nuts from all over the world, and our growers are carefully checked that they are not pedos, and they check each batch for size and quality by spitting in them and rubbing the nuts on their face. So anywho, let's get these open. Usually there's like a quick tear thing here. As you can see here, there's a quick tear thing there. So tear it off like that, and there you go. So they look quite nice actually. So they look quite nice. Got a nice crunch to them. Very nice. You see the nut in there. Nutty. The chili isn't too strong. It's probably just the right amount of chili on that. So just about the right enough amount of chili. It's a little bit greasy. The peanut on its own, it's quite good. There's not much flavour with the peanut on its own, so you do need the coating. That's my review. Check it out.